intakes sound crazy too. Wow. Those shifts are insane. I have drag mode on with XHP. I have drag mode on high, so basically, ooh. Oh, we got a little loose there. Damn. But basically, it's pretty sketchy. A lot of people don't like running it because they don't want to clap out their trans, but we send it. All right, we send it. But the drag mode makes the shifts like so much more aggressive, and on every shift, almost every shift, it'll like pop, like it'll sound crazy. Yeah, this car's nuts. So dailyable and everything. If it wasn't for the rasp but the exhaust, these cars would sound so insane without cats. Like, that's all you need is just no cats, right? On the higher end, I would say kind of the middle or the low end of the RPMs, the car is very raspy, but still sounds good from the interior. From the outside, probably sounds a little worse, but it could be worse, you know. There's cars that sound worse. Damn. I turned it down. Right now we're on pump gas. For videos like this, I think on E85 is a little too much, especially when the car's just too fast, you know. So this is plenty fast, honestly. Oh, that sounds so insane. Sometimes I'm just like, there's no way this is my car, you know? Like, it's just crazy to me. When I was younger, I just never thought of this. This is so enjoyable. Whenever you're having a bad day, just go and drive the car, you know, and it makes everything better. Look, check this out. This is Sports Plus, so the pops are way more insane. I usually never drive it on that. I usually just drive it in sport where they're not as obnoxious, but yeah, that's absolutely insane. They get louder too. That's in sport right here. This is in Sports Plus, so the pops are way more crazy on with this one. You'll notice right away. Yeah, that's crazy. I used to have a completely straight pipe, like E92 335i, and this sounds like just as loud as it, which is crazy. And this one's not completely straight pipe, like all the way. Camera probably won't pick up the sound of the intakes, but in person they sound not too obnoxious, but you hear them for sure. Right now they're the stock intake boxes, but I removed the charcoal filters, and then obviously we have the alpha N hood, so it's so much more open to where you can hear the engine more and the intakes and all. And then we did a drop-in Burger Motorsports filter. That's literally it, and it sounds so sick. It sounds much more open compared to stock. I'd say the hood definitely helped, that's for sure. Back to Sports Plus. Oh my god. If someone was just walking right here, they would literally jump. That's how loud it is. The camera doesn't do it justice. The video does not. Jesus Christ. a G80, you have to get rid of your cats. The downpipes, you know, get an exhaust that gets rid of the secondary cats, or if you want to just get mid pipes that removes those, you know, a single mid pipe or something, do it, man. It sounds so much more insane. Downpipes alone opens up the car, especially if they're catless, but when you remove every single cat and, I mean, just leave everything else, it sounds like that's how the car should have came from the factory. There's like no drone or nothing either. This turbo spool, you hear it so much more. That with intakes and like, there's not much more you need for sound for these cars, honestly. Unless you want to get a single turbo. Obviously that'll sound so much better. Don't you just love Mexico, guys? So beautiful. The way the turbo spools, when you're already up in the RPMs, it spools instantly and you could hear it. You cannot leave these cars stock. I mean, they're awesome stock, right? But you just cannot leave them stock, man. They just offer way too much to mod. If you get one of these cars, it's because you want to mod it. Let's be honest, you know? You get so much power effortlessly. That's what I'm saying. A manual, even though it's slower, would be so much more fun to drive. And that's the honest truth, you know? And I mean, the past 3 cars I've had were automatic, and I still think manuals cannot be beat, you know? I just think for what I use the car for, the automatic is just more convenient, but doesn't make it better, right? Those intake sounds, man, are crazy. Those downshifts, man. Jesus Christ. Those downshifts do not get old. that are a little loose right there. That idle. Dang, it's hot. That's how you know you've been beating on it, you know? All right, so I'm gonna leave the video off there, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.